There are the forests. There are the rivers. And here we are, humans. We explored the mountain and found a deep correlation between the forest and the water cycle. And what about us? Why are we, humans, here on Earth? The answer is probably a mysterious and eternal quest. We decided to answer this while doing it. We are in Pampa de Chala at 2,300 meters above sea level, at the top of the Sierras Grandes in Córdoba, where one of the largest watersheds in the region is located. This is the main water spring of Córdoba, as it provides about 80% of its water. The existence and health of this watershed depends on high-altitude forests. Tabaquillo is a native tree that grows in this area. Its forests are found among the clouds, and they are magical places. They create a humid microclimate which is full of life and biodiversity. Clouds' humidity is swept by Tabaquillo's foliage through condensation. The trees release humidity in the heart of the mountain, infiltrating it with its roots up to 30 meters deep, providing a deep and fertile soil that works like a sponge, capable of absorbing rainwater. 100 years ago, this was the picture. Most of the Sierras Grandes of Córdoba were covered by Tabaquillo's forests. Today, it looks like this, due to the deliberate fires, indiscriminate logging, and extensive cattle breeding. Less than 3% of the regional forests remain. For all those reasons is that our purpose was born, to cover the mountain with forests again. How are we doing it? In summer, we climb up to collect the seeds. We germinate them, and then, throughout autumn and winter, we produce seedlings in our nursery. In spring, we return to the mountain to plant them. At that moment, the whole community joins our staff. In 2021, in the first year, we planted 5,000 trees. In 2022, we bought and protected 210 hectares in the heart of Pampa de Chala water reservoir, and we planted 100,000 tabaquillos with a team of 25 people. In 2023, we are planting 300,000 more trees and protecting 5,000 more hectares to generate more water forests.